Welcome to Mimi Daily English. We invite you to come and learn with us. Look at me. I am the king of arm wrestling. No one can beat my muscles. Prepare to lose. My right arm is hungry for victory.
Thank you! Thank you! Please clap louder for your champion!
Oh no! His arm is bigger than my whole body! Why am I doing this? Deep breaths, Leo. It is just an arm.
You can do this, Leo. If you win, I will buy you pizza. If you lose, you buy me pizza. Look at his hair. He looks like an angry hedgehog. You can beat a hedgehog.
You are right, Chloe. I am not afraid of hedgehogs. Let's go. Time to use my secret weapon. Broccoli! Here I come. The broccoli power is real.
Oh, look! This baby drinks milk every day, Max.
I ate 3 bananas for this.
Bananas are for monkeys. This will be fast. Don't cry. Ready? Go!
So heavy. My arm is a noodle.
Time to eat.
Oh no. My noodle is breaking. Wait, wait, wait! My poor hand. Next time, I will eat 4 bananas.
I am the king of the table! Thank you! Thank you!
Oh man. My arm feels like soft spaghetti. Very sad spaghetti.
Did the spaghetti monster defeat you, Leo?
Worse. I lost to a guy who looks like a giant potato. Look at these hands. They can only hold a small pencil, not a big trophy.
Are you okay? You look like a very sad puppy.
I am just too weak. A baby cat is stronger than me.
Hey, one loss does not define you. And baby cats have sharp claws, so that is not a fair fight. True strength is standing back up and maybe eating more vegetables, like spinach.
Spinach? Yuck. But maybe you are right. I will not be sad spaghetti. I will be a strong rock. Thank you, Chloe. Let's train hard, but first, can we eat pizza?
Pizza first.
That is a great plan. Oh man, my legs are jelly. Who invented running?
You are doing great, but wow, you sweat a lot. Drink this.
This is heavier than my bed. Ugh. Okay, one more. Ugh, I am strong. I am a bear, a very tired bear.
Keep it up, Leo. Just 10 more. 10?
I thought we said 2. Take that, rubber band. I will win. Oh, I see. It is all about the angle.
Science is cool.
Leo, please. I can beat him with my eyes closed. I am the king.
Actually, maybe I will use only one finger. Ha ha ha!
Okay, I am ready. No more jelly legs. Max is going down. The tired bear is awake.
Time to show him, Leo.
Hello, everyone! The champion is here for an easy win.
Okay, Leo. You can do this. Just breathe.
Go, Leo! Show him your new power!
Thanks, Chloe. I am ready.
Are you lost, little boy?
I am exactly where I want to be.
Why is he not scared at all?
Focus. I ate a lot of spinach for this.
Quiet, please. Hands in the middle. No cheating, Max.
Ouch! You are squeezing too hard.
Wait! Are you a rock? Move! Wait! Are you a rock? Move!
Nope. I eat a lot of vegetables.
Come on! Go down! Why are you so heavy?
My arm is tired, but I can do this all day.
I remember my training. I am strong. I will not lose.
We have a winner!
Wow! I am the champion now!
Phew! My arm feels like a wet noodle.
Hey, this is the best day ever!
Move out of the way! Best cheerleader coming through.
Did I really win, or am I dreaming?
You won!
Wake up, noodle arm.
You did it, Leo! Next time, try not to look so scared.
Wow. I really need to eat more vegetables. He is pretty strong.
Hey, Max. My hand still works if you want to shake it.
Give me a second. My hand is still shaking.
Ouch.
Not too hard.
Oops, sorry.
You earned it, Leo. But I will choose the game next time.
Pizza time! Loser pays.
Wait, what? Let's go!
If you found it helpful, please give us a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching!
Thank you very much.